Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two fantastic countertop ice makers, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker and the Smug Portable Ice Maker. If you're a fan of ice, you're in for a treat. The Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker is known for its ability to produce soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for drinks and cocktails. On the other hand, the Smug Portable Ice Maker offers a budget-friendly option that produces traditional bullet ice, making it ideal for casual use and portability. We'll break down their features, compare their performance, and help you find the best ice maker for your needs. Let's get started. The Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, often sought after for its texture and ability to absorb flavors, making it a favorite for drinks and cocktails. In contrast, the Smug Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is firmer and ideal for cooling beverages quickly. Each ice type serves different preferences, with nugget ice being more versatile for various drinks. When it comes to daily ice production, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker stands out with an impressive capacity of 40 pounds per day, making it perfect for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Smug Ice Maker produces 26.5 pounds of bullet ice daily, which is suitable for personal use or smaller gatherings. This difference in capacity is crucial for consumers to consider based on their ice needs. Price is a significant factor when choosing an ice maker. The Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $469, reflecting its premium features and high production capacity. In contrast, the Smug Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $69.99, making it accessible for those who need a portable solution without breaking the bank. Understanding the cost versus features is essential for making an informed decision. In conclusion, both the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker and the Smug Portable Ice Maker have their unique strengths. The Aeitto is perfect for those who prioritize high-capacity nugget ice production, while the Smug offers an affordable and portable solution for casual use. We hope this comparison has helped you find the right ice maker for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.